Hi, my name is Ashmita. In this video, there are some yoga poses that can be integrated in your life. Try and see if it works for you. So the first is Gomukhasana. Sit on your yoga mat upright in Sukhasana and take some full deep breaths. Extend your legs out, knees pointing upwards, feet flat on the ground. Slide your left leg and bring your feet closer to your right hip. Now take your right leg and overlap it on your left leg. Bring your right feet closer to your left hip so that the right knee is atop your left. Now extend your left hand over your shoulder and try to hold your left hand with your right hand from beneath. Hold your pose for a while, take full deep breaths and then release. When you know you're going to be sitting down for a while, try a yoga pose for that. Up next is Ardha Chandrasana. Start in Tadasana, stand straight, grow tall through your neck, circle sweep your hands up, exhale and dive down. Try to touch your feet or the ground, you can bend your knees as well. Inhale and lift halfway up, spine straight. Plant your hands and step your left feet way back. Breathe in to Warrior Two pose. Shift your weight into the right leg and lift your left leg up and back. Reach tall through your left hand and bring your right fingers to the mat. Open your chest sideways and breathe here. Now release and land gently on your left feet. Whether it's picking something from the ground or reaching for something, this is the way to go. And the final one is Utkatasana. Begin with Tadasana, root strong through your legs. Reach your arms tall over your head and bend slightly. Exhale and dive down to forward fold. Lift halfway up, spine straight, try touching the ground. Forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees and rise up to chair pose. Shift your weight back in the heels, spine erect. Exhale, take your hands back and down. Inhale to chair pose. Release to forward fold. Circle sweep your arms over your head, Ardha Hastasana. Come back to Tadasana. I really fill my water bottles in this pose, it's super fun. I believe when yoga is integrated in your daily life, it yields maximum benefits. Enjoy the process and have fun.